Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to claim your PixFi tokens in your PixelTap account. So without wasting my time, let's go to our Telegram. Then let's open our PixelTap. Okay, so in our PixelTap you will see a banner here, and on the banner there is a claim. Okay, so we will click on this claim button on this banner to claim our PixFi tokens. So when you click on the claim, this will appear. They said based on your activity inside PixelTap, you were chosen as an early adopter and received special rewards. Okay, so they said based on your activities, your fight, your bot, whatever you did in PixelTap, okay, they have rewarded you with an NFT avatar, which is this legendary. Okay, so let's click on the next step. Okay, so at this place we have to claim our reward. Okay, so I got 690 PixFi. I know a lot of people got more of this PixFi tokens, but I wasn't taking PixelTap seriously, so I got this small amount, which is 690 PixFi. Okay, so what you have to do here is to claim this token, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to claim your token, your PixFi token, to your wallet. Okay, so first we have to click on this claim PixFi, and you can see there is a countdown here. Okay, we have to be quick to claim our token before this countdown reach, else this token will burn and we will lose everything will go back to zero. Okay, so let's click on the claim to claim our token, our reward. Okay, so at this place they said enter your wallet address, and there is a note here: you can only enter non-custodial wallet. All CEX exchange wallets are custodial and not supported. All funds sent to such exchanges will be banned irrevocably. Okay, so what they are saying is that you can't use a wallet such as Binance or Bybit or OKS. Yeah, you can't use their exchanging part because such platforms has both Web3 and exchanges. Okay, you can't use their exchanging part, you can only use their Web3 part. Okay, so the last time we linked our bybit to this PixelTap. Let me go back. Okay, let me go back, then click on this wallet. You see, the last time I showed you guys how to link your bybit account to PixelTap. Okay, so we will be copying this address in our bybit, then we enter it to claim our reward. Okay, so let's go to our bybit account. Okay, so when you get to this place you see exchange and Web3, and we will be clicking on the Web3 because that is a non-custodial wallet. With this exchange, this is a custodial wallet which will get your funds lost. Okay, so you shouldn't click on this exchange. Let's click on the Web3, and at the Web3 let's click on wallet. You click on this wallet. Okay, so when you get to this place you will see USDT, which runs on ERC20 network. Okay, so you click on this USDT ERC20, then you click on deposit. Okay, you click on deposit. So you click on this copy address to copy your USDT ERC20 address. Okay, you copy the address. So when you are done copying the address, you come back to your PixelTap. Okay, so let's click on the claim. Let's click the next. Okay, let's click the claim PixFi. So you enter that wallet address here. So when you are done entering your wallet address, you click on yes, I entered non-custodial wallet. Then you click on claim PixFi. And they said congrats, your PixFi are in dashboard. Okay, so listen to this part. Connect this wallet to your dashboard for your coins are displayed in the staking section. Okay, so let's connect our wallet to our dashboard. Okay, and I'll click on go to staking. So when you get to this place, we have to link our Bybit account to the Pixelverse dashboard to stake our PixFi token. Okay, but I'll be showing you guys how to do it properly with this Metamask. Okay, so we'll be linking our Bybit account to the Metamask. Okay, so let's go to our Bybit account. Let's go to our Bybit. So at our Bybit account, we will click on this logo. Then we click on manage wallet. Then you click on manage wallet. You still click on it. So when you get to this place, you click on this 3 dots here on this seed phrase. Seed phrase wallets are non-custodial, and that is what we linked to our PixelTap. Okay, so you click on this 3 dots. So this place will appear, and you click on this backup. Maybe you haven't backed up yet, you back up, but me, I've already backed up. So I'll click on this. Then I enter my password. Okay, so when you get to this place, you have to copy your seed phrase. Okay, you have to copy your seed phrase. Then we go back to Metamask. Okay, so I'm done copying my seed phrase. So let's go to our Metamask. So you open your Metamask. If you don't have the app on your phone, you have to download the app because this is very necessary. And we have to use this method to stake our PixFi. Okay, so click on the get started. Then click on import using secret recovery phrase. Okay, so you enter the recovery phrase, this recovery phrase. Let me go back to Bybit. This seed phrase that you copied here. Okay, you enter it here. You just enter it here. Okay, so let me enter it here. Then you set a password to it. Let me set a password to it first. So when you are done setting your password and pasting in your recovery phrase, you click on the import. And your wallet is ready. Okay, so you click on done. And we have successfully connected our Bybit Web3 to this Metamask account. Okay, so we have connected this wallet. Okay, this wallet. Let me go back. We have connected this Bybit Web3 wallet to this Metamask. Already Bybit is a custodial wallet, so we can't be using the Bybit exchange. So we are using the Web3 on, and Web3 is a non-custodial. But to make everything run smoothly, we have to link it to the Metamask. Okay, so now let's clear this Bybit, then focus on the Metamask. Okay, so when we are done linking our Bybit Web3 to the Metamask, we will go back to our PixelTap. Okay, okay, so in our PixelTap, we will click on go to staking. Yeah, we will click on this go to staking. So it will take us to this place, and we will click on the Metamask because we have already linked the Bybit to the Metamask. So we won't be using this because this is a custodial wallet. This OKS Bybit, they are all custodial wallets, but Metamask is a non-custodial wallet. So you click on the Metamask, and we have already linked their account to it. Yeah, so let's click on the Metamask. And it has opened my Metamask. As you can see, it has opened my Metamask. See, let's connect this wallet to it. So I'll click on connect wallet. And I'll choose the Metamask again. Then I'll click on this connect. But make sure it is the same address you copied and pasted in your PixelTap. Okay, so I'll click on the connect. Then I'll click on this sign. And we have successfully connected our account. Okay, as you can see, our account is connected. and this is our address, the address we pasted in the PixelTap to receive the PixFi token. This is the same address we have linked to our Pixelverse account. Okay, so let's click on this menu icon, then click on this staking, and as you can see, our balance has reflected here. Our 690 has reflected here. 690 PixFi has reflected here. So we have successfully staked our token. As you can see, it says staked token. Okay, so staked token. We have staked our token. Okay, and every day we'll be getting 6.9. Okay, we'll be getting 6.9 of the PixelFi. Okay, that is very good. Okay, so we have successfully staked our PixFi token. Okay, we have successfully staked our PixFi token. As you can see, it says staked, so we have successfully staked it. And they said claimed. We have claimed it. Okay, so this 690 PixFi is sitting right here in our Pixelverse account. Okay, so it is staked. Okay, so if this video helped you to claim your PixFi token from your PixelTap, okay, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.